when we think thoughts about water, it changes the molecular structure of the water. So they would have students send negative energy up to a bottle of water, like, you fool, you idiot. And what would happen, they'll take that water and they will freeze it to 20 degrees below zero, put it in a petri dish, and then they will bring it out, put it under a microscope, and they will look at that water, and as it starts to melt, it forms crystals. When you send negative energy, you get this kind of blobby black formation that occurs. When you send love and gratitude or thank you, you get these beautiful crystals that look like snowflakes. So we know that one kind of energy, which we call negative critical energy, creates one form, and positive energy creates another. But the idea is we are water, and our thoughts are affecting us and each other.
The things that you say to yourself about yourself create your entire reality. Click the link in our bio to try Inner Tune, a tool to program your mind with positive energy.